Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, happy Sunday and welcome back to another video. Today we are back with another house hunting video. We are in the parish of St. Catherine and we are in Old Harbour. Now today we are going to be showing you a new and upcoming development called Whim Estates. And as usual guys, we like to take you on the drive, give you an idea of exactly where the development is located. And this development is located adjacent to New Harbour Village 2. So there's a big development called New Harbour Village 2. Many of you may be familiar with it, may have even driven past it a few times. It's adjacent to that development. Now, you can actually go through New Harbour Village 2 development to get to Whim Estates. I do believe there will be a separate entrance once it's all completed, but that's the way that we access the development, and you'll see that coming up in the video. So we went through New Harbour Village 2. The security guys were very accommodating. They led us through, and we were able to access the development by going through New Harbour Village 2. Now here, as you can see, we are actually in New Harbour Village 2 in that development, and we are driving through to get to the new development Whim Estates. But you can just have a look at what the New Harbour Village 2 development looks like and what, you know, the surrounding community to Whim Estates is like also. Okay, some information about Whim Estates. So this development will feature over 800 units. There will be a mixture of 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom units and 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom units. The 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit will start at 18 million Jamaican dollars, and the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit will start at 20 million Jamaican dollars. Coming up soon, guys, there will be the square footage for each of the units, and also the amenities for the units as well. And just before I go any further, guys, you know I have to say this in every single video. So I'm not a real estate agent. I am not getting paid to showcase this development. So guys, what I'm showing you is just what's out there. We just like to showcase new developments, show you what's out there. If it's if the development is something you're interested in, then we urge you to do your own research. Okay, we're just showing you the surface stuff. We're just showing you what it looks like outside, the community, inside. If you want more detailed information on the finishes, on community, on the buying process, please do your research and get in contact. I encourage you to get in contact with the developers personally or the agents who are selling. Please get in contact with them for more information. As usual, I'll leave the details at the end of the video and also in the description. So coming up here, you can see the gate for Whim Estates, and this is where we access this gate to get through to the Whim Estates development. As you can see at the moment, it is just land, but they have built a model unit, and guys, you are free to go and visit this model unit. Be sure to make an appointment beforehand if you would like to go and have a look at the model unit. But we do have a tour of the model unit coming up soon. Guys, we hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do comment, like, share, subscribe to our channel, and until next time, that me said.